everyone. This is Jonelle Ocloo of Lojo Immigration, where we provide you with confidence and clarity with your immigration legal matters. All right, so today's video is about the new pre-registration process for H1B Cap cases. So starting with fiscal year 2021, which is basically this H1B Cap season that's coming up in spring of 2020, there is a new procedure, and that is pre-registration. USCIS has just announced that employers who want to sponsor foreign national employees for H1B status in this upcoming H1B Cap season need to first pre-register. Okay, so first off, the pre-registration period is March 1st through March 20th of 2020. During that period of time, employers will submit a pre-registration entry for each prospective H1B employee. Okay, separate entry for each prospective H1B employee. There is a nominal fee for doing this pre-registration. It's $10 per registered entry. And so then USCIS is going to conduct the H1B lottery from the entries in the pre-registration. Now, as you've heard me mention in other videos about H1B Cap, there are, of course, each year 65,000 H1B visas available, an additional 20,000 H1B visas for people who have a master's degree or higher from an accredited U.S. university. So if USCIS gets more than that 85,000 entries, then of course there will be a lottery. The entries that are chosen in this pre-registration will then be able to submit their full H1B petitions to USCIS. Okay, and then the entries that are not selected in the pre-registration, that's basically the end of the road for those. Okay, all right, so what's that going to mean for you? All right, if you are a student, you're an F1 international student, you're working for an employer right now, possibly in your OPT, optional practical training, or CPT, now's the time to talk to your employer about H1B sponsorship so that your employer is ready to enter you into that pre-registration. If you are an employer and you have, say, someone on F1 student status working for you on OPT or CPT, now's the time to consider, okay, which candidates are you going to enter, okay, into this pre-registration. Also, if you're an employer, perhaps you have an employee who has a different immigration status, all right, but that status is going to be expiring sometime before October of 2021. You need to get them into this H1B Cap, okay, and enter them. All right, and then also you may have prospective employees who are abroad or former employees that you want to sponsor for H1B status. So now's the time to think about who are you going to sponsor. Now, of course, you may have questions about the H1B process. Please reach out to us here at Lojo Immigration. You can find us on the web at www.lojolaw.com. Now, don't forget to click to subscribe so that you can see upcoming videos. USCIS has said that as they get closer to the March 1st date, they're going to be giving more details about precisely what kind of information is going to be required for this pre-registration. So you want to look out for more videos from Lojo Immigration. Also, as I said, if you want assistance with the H1B process, then by all means, reach out to us. Okay? All right, if you found this video to be helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and click to subscribe and look out for more videos. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye.